Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about how scalar energy can help with bronchitis. Bronchitis is an inflammation of your bronchial tubes, which carry air to and from your lungs. It often develops from a cold or other respiratory infection. It can cause a nagging cough, mucus, shortness of breath, wheezing, a low fever, and chest tightness. There are two main types of bronchitis, acute and chronic. Acute bronchitis is very common, which usually improves within a week to 10 days without lasting effects. Chronic bronchitis, a more serious condition, is one of the conditions included in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. How can scalar energy help with bronchitis? Bronchitis happens when a virus, bacteria, or irritant particles trigger an inflammation of the bronchial tubes. Scalar energy can kill virus and bacteria by stimulating our natural immune system. When our immune system is weakened or is malfunctioning, it will increase your risk of bronchitis. Scalar energy can provide energetic support for our immune system, making it better able to safeguard our body. People with bronchitis are often accompanied by low fever and chills, chest tightening, headaches, and etc. Scalar energy can help with these symptoms. For example, scalar energy can relieve headache by rebalancing the distribution of the chemicals, reducing the pain in one side of the brain and gradually weakening the throbbing pain. Any questions about spooky tooth scalar and bronchitis? Welcome to comment below.